Good morning, friends. My name is Kolajivel, Chartered Accountant, Company Secretary, Cost Accountant, Law Graduate, basically postgraduate in Commerce. Today we are going to discuss about job costing. I will read out the problem, explain the concept, then we can work out the problem. IEL undertake a plant manufacturing work for a client. It will charge a profit markup of 20% on the full cost of the jobs. The following are the information related to the job. Direct material utilized 1 crore 87 lakh. Direct labor utilized 2400 hours at the rate of 80 per hour. Budgeted production overhead are rupees 48 lakh for the period and are recovered on the basis of 24,000 labor hours. Budgeted selling and administration overhead are rupees 18 lakhs for the period and recovered on the basis of total budgeted production cost of rupees 36 crores. We are required to calculate the price to be charged for the job. This is what given in the problem. I will explain the concept. There is a company. The company name is IEL. It undertakes a job work from the client. The company will be receiving a specification from the client. Based on the specification, the company will be manufacturing and handing over the job. This will be called as job costing. This is a method of costing. Under this method of costing, the company is usually charged a profit after arriving a full cost. Full cost is nothing but here the direct material, direct labor, all production and administration overhead incurred for making this particular job. Then on that, the company will be charging 20% profit. The resulting figure would be called as selling price for the job. The direct material given the problem is 1 crore 87 lakh for this particular job. Direct labor required for completing this particular job is 2400 hours. The company will be paying 80 rupees per hour for completing this particular job. Production overhead will be recovered based on labor hours. Already production overhead budgeted for 48 lakhs and the budgeted labor hours is 24,000 labor hours. This budgeted production overhead will be recovered based on 24,000 labor hours. Production overhead is nothing but indirect material, indirect labor, indirect expenditure incurred in the factory. This budgeted overhead will be recovered on the particular job based on direct labor hours. It may be recovered by machine hour or labor hour, but this company is following labor hours method. Then budgeted selling and administration overhead is given in the problem is 18 lakhs. This is recovered using production cost method. Even it can be prime cost or it can be some other percentage also. But this company is following production cost method for recovering selling and administration overhead. The budgeted production overhead cost is also given in the problem 36 crores. Based on this, we have to work out the total cost. On that total cost, we have to charge the margin. Then the resulting figure would be called as price to the job. Right. Calculation of job price. There should be two columns. The first column should be particulars. The second column would be amount in rupees. Direct material given in the problem. Straight away we have to update. So calculations of job price is nothing but we have to add all the costs, whatever cost incurred towards completing this particular job. Then we have to add 20% margin on the total cost derived. Then the resulting figure would be called as price for the job. So direct material given in the problem is 1 crore 87 lakh. Write under particulars direct materials. On the outer column, write 1 crore 87 lakhs. Direct wages is given in the problem. 2400 hours required. Wages is paid per hour is rupees 80. So multiply 80 with the 2400 hours. Update in the outer column 1,92,000. Then the production overhead given in the problem. So the budgeted production overhead cost is 48 lakhs and the budgeted hours is 24,000 hours. Generally this company is budgeting production overhead is 48 lakhs, 24,000 hours. But we are utilizing 2,400 hours. So we have to proportionately calculate for 2,400 hours for this job. How? Right. Go to particulars, write production overhead. Open the bracket, write 48 lakhs divided by 2,400 hours is nothing but 200 per hour. That means per hour we have to charge 200 rupees. So that 200 rupees should be multiplied with 2,400 hours. Why? Per hour 200 rupees cost for 2,400 hours. How much? 4,80,000 rupees. Update in the final column. The resulting figure would be called as production cost. Production cost is nothing but direct material, direct wages and production overhead. So whatever cost incurred up to factory will be called as production cost here. So add 1 crore 87 lakh plus 1,92,000 plus 4,80,000. The resulting figure will be called as production cost. Production cost is rupees 1 crore 93 lakh 72,000. Then add, go to particulars, add selling and administration overhead. So budgeted selling and administration overhead is given in the problem. That should be recovered based on production cost. So production cost here is also given in the problem 36 crores. So open the bracket, 18 lakh rupees divided by 36 crores. The resulting figure would be rupees 0.005. That means is what? If production cost is 36 crores, then the selling and administration overhead would be 18 lakh rupees. But our production cost is 1 crore 93 lakh 72,000. So we have to proportionately calculate for 1 crore 93 lakh 72,000. How? 18 lakhs divided by 36 crores into 1 lakh 93,000, 1 crore 93 lakh 72,000. The resulting figure would be 96,860. Selling and administration overhead is nothing but 96,860. That means is what? If production cost is rupees 100, then the selling and administration overhead would be 50 paise. Then add production cost and the selling and administration overhead. Then the resulting figure would be called as total cost of sales. Total cost of sales is nothing but 1 crore 93 lakh 72,000 plus 96,860. So total cost of sales is nothing but 1 crore 94 lakh 68,860. Then the company wants to make a profit 20% on cost. So cost already we have derived, that is 1 crore 94 lakh 68,860. On that we have to charge 20% markup, that is profit. So open the bracket, write 1 crore 94 lakh 68,860 into 20 divided by 100. The resulting figure would be called as profit of 20% on cost. So on cost means cost should be considered as 100. So that we will be deriving the profit. Profit is nothing but 38,93,772. Add a total cost plus markup. The resulting figure would be called as price for the job. So 1 crore 94 lakh 68,860 plus profit 38,93,772 is nothing but price for the job rupees 2 crore 33 lakh 62,632. So the answer for this question, price for the job is rupees 2 crore 33 lakh 62,632. Today we have learned what is the job cost and how job price to be ascertained. In the next session, we can discuss next chapter. Thank you.